Now we move to the another one, which is titanium alloys. Okay, I hope that you have heard this word earlier, because titanium is a very common and very popular element in material science. Okay, so titanium alloys are the metal alloys primarily composed of titanium, which is obvious because I have already made that whenever you listen the name of alloys, okay, whatever the name comes with the name of material, which material the material would be in a parent or in a primary volume fraction in that particular alloy. Suppose if aluminum alloy, the major chunk part of the material would be of from aluminum. Similar to that, if you have a titanium alloy, it means the major part of that alloy would be having the titanium. Okay, so it is very obvious. So it is obvious. So titanium with varying amount of aluminum, vanadium, molybdenum, iron, and other elements. These alloys are known for their high strength, low density, excellent corrosion resistance, and biocompatibility, making them ideal for aerospace, biomedical, and industrial applications. So these all are the advantages and the applications that we are getting. Okay, okay, with the aluminum alloy.